That's Camille right there. Y'all look. Look, you know we on our dip shit, right? Look, Camille trying to get a ride. Can't get a ride, nigga. I need a ride. Somebody give me a ride. God damn it. Oh shit, she gonna come too fast. Yo, we outie. We out. I think that's my things. No, that's Karina. My bad. I ain't meet that. Karina's cool though. Right. Now we dipped in good fashion. See, that's how I like to dip. In good fashion.
Probably a light skin.
That's what he does. And I swear I'm gonna leave him.
I don't have
No car?
No card.
For what, gas? I got my card.
Or should I say sugar snacks? Coke in the sugar jar, cookie jar, crib on sugar shack. Bitches sleep naked in the sugar shack. Mind on my money, no looking back. I pop up in the middle with a block, make the drop top.
Yo, Camille look like a dread named Shaka.
Fucking man.
We all say Shaka. Everything cool, no man. What's up, cuz?
You know what you did that say? Yo.
How you on the video, audio, body get mail to your gal, pussy ass nigga.
Oh, she slammed that. It's a fucking sumo wrestling fight. It's two sumo. Oh, call the cops. Call the cops. It's two fat motherfuckers getting it on. The car is shaking. Jesus. Oh, earthquake. Earthquake. No. Jesus, no. You have to do the crime scene. It was just an earthquake. Well, it was just an earthquake outside. It was an earthquake outside. I don't know what to do. I was so scared. No. Yo, y'all missed it. It was an earthquake. So I had to do my crying scene. Look, I got a TNF. That's a good actor for you. Almost took Camille money. Oh, fuck. Oh, and this is Gianni right here. Look. Look, he's a little kid. Look. Look, he mad fly, right? Check this out. Watch how we catch him. Get in the car, Gianni. He got lap it. Look, he got somebody laugh. Hey, little man.
No, don't do that.
Hey, little man.
Karina, I can't fit in. I can't fit in here. Go in the middle.
Get the fuck in. An incredible hope needs to put inside the car.
Don't say what I'm saying. I walked straight past him. Like,
hey, little man, you gotta sit on somebody's lap?